just as a quick reminder, I glance up and see that she's part of the new products email campaign that marketing is sending. So I know that she'll be getting email from the marketing team while we work through the lead qualification process. As I work through the process, I notice that I'm at 20 of 80 points that I can acquire in this first stage. I want to get back to another lead that I'm working on. In addition to the guided selling process, tracking scoring, I'm also curious about this lead and how they've acquired a score of 35 with the marketing team. I can go over here and see that they've received an email and clicked it, and that acquires a 25 and a 10, totaling a 35 score. I'm also curious what nurture program they're on, and by looking over here, I can tell what marketing is doing for me. When I have a look at the list view, I can also get an idea of what's going on with all my leads, and actually look up at prediction and see how the artificial intelligence part of the software is making decisions about the likelihood to convert. Let's take a look at Cynthia Chat. When I get to Cynthia's record, I see that she's more likely to convert, and by popping up the prediction details based on lead source and lead score, prediction is telling me that she is a good lead for me to pursue. Next, I drive into the hint interface through the intelligent panel to take a look at what else it knows about her and the company she works for. It's offering me additional information that I decide to consume. By clicking the cloud, I add all that data directly into the contact record, and I'm hoping some news will come through.